How to use social media for your coaching business. On average, we spend 135 minutes a day on social media. Social media is a huge part of our everyday lives, and it's here to stay. As a coach, you'll need a social media presence to stay relevant in what's already a saturated market. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter provide useful avenues to tell your professional story, attract clients, and enhance the profile of your coaching business. However, coaching professionals often spend a fortune on digital marketing campaigns without significant return. Fortunately, the evolution of social media now means it's easy to take matters into your own hands. You can come up with an effective coaching business social media strategy that's cheap, produces measurable results, and doesn't take over your life. Here's a rundown of how to use social media to your advantage as a coaching professional. 1. Set clear goals. The first step on your journey to social media success is working out what you want to achieve. Without first identifying your goals, you're taking a leap in the dark and could end up wasting time, which is already limited when running your own coaching business. Do you want more traffic to your website, more appointment bookings, business partnerships, or more followers? Pick one and focus your coaching business social media efforts around it. Be sure to set up metrics to measure success, so you can keep your eyes on the prize. 2. First impressions count. When you meet a client for the first time, you obviously make sure to dress smart, make eye contact, and present yourself professionally. Well, it's no different when your clients first encounter your business via social media. In fact, first impressions are even more important online. While studies tell us it takes 0.1 seconds to judge a person in real life, it takes customers just 0.05 seconds form opinions about a business online. Before even considering content, your social media pages and blog need to instantly look professional and aesthetically pleasing. A business management tool with design features can help with this. Choose appropriate handles, write informative profile descriptions, and choose images that reflect your business, so clients are impressed from the get-go. 3. Share valuable content. When it comes to sharing content, we recommend the 1 in 7 rule. For every promotional post, share 6 items that are amusing or relevant to your followers but don't directly advertise your services. These can be blog posts written by you, interesting articles written by other reliable sources, news articles relating to your coaching business, or suggestions for useful tools that complement your coaching services. That way you don't spam your followers with endless promotional material, but you build a relationship of trust with them by becoming a reliable source of up-to-date material about their interests. 4. Know your niche. If you're not sure what's awesome about your coaching service, how are your clients going to know? For example, if you're a business coach, you'd need to ask yourself, are you great at helping executives refine leadership skills, or does your strength lie in helping small business owners get off the ground? Do you get results working with teams, or in helping individuals realize their personal potential? There's no correct answer. But when launching your social media strategy, it's key to identify your niche and communicate this consistently across all social platforms. 5. Network. A mistake coaches often make regarding social media is only focusing on attracting clients. But in fact, using social media to network with influential professionals in your field can be just as rewarding for your business. Why, we hear you ask. Firstly, this gives you insight into buzz topics in the coaching world, and provides a digital marketing model you can learn from. And secondly, partnering with non-competing businesses can prove financially lucrative for both of you. Getting influential people to shout out about your business could result in more clients discovering your business, and increased revenue. 6. Choose your channel. With so many social media platforms to choose from, think quality over quantity. You'll need to share high-quality content, keep your posts consistent across channels, and monitor your returns. This will be tough if you kick off on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Pinterest all at the same time. Identify where your ideal coaching clients spend time online, and start with 2 or 3 dedicated social media platforms that you can guarantee you'll have time to keep updated, and branch out later. Slow and steady wins the race. 7. Join the discussion. So you've posted a fascinating article about the future of coaching business. A number of your followers comment with thoughts or questions, but you don't respond. This instantly damages your brand identity. A survey last year found that 71% of Twitter users expect a brand to respond to their query within an hour of tweeting. Social media has revolutionized the world of customer service, and customers expect instant, personalized responses. Think of your social media channels not as a single-direction advertising output, but rather a meeting point where you can engage with and even help out your followers. So roll your sleeves up and join the discussion. 8. Manage your time. In this connected age, where we receive mobile notifications constantly, it's all too easy to let social media take over. Allocate a certain number of hours a week to maintaining your coaching business social media channels, and stick to your time planning. Coaching business tools can help you set up a posting schedule for the week and notify you about replies. So you still have time to devote to making your coaching business services the very best they can be.